everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's video I will tell you about the factory data reset of your device Realme Narzo 50. Before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device Realme Narzo 50 you want to reset your device or you want to wipe all the data, you can do this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can wipe all the data or factory reset your device. Let's watch the video.